Today we'll prepare together a classic dish of Italian cuisine, lemon scallops. Let's see the ingredients. 8 thin slices of veal, flour for coating the slices, 40 grams of butter, extra virgin olive oil, salt and black pepper, the juice of a fresh lemon, about 100 milliliters of broth, either vegetable or meat according to preference, finely chopped fresh parsley for garnish. If the veal slices are too thick, place them on a cutting board and gently pound them with a meat mallet to make them thin and even. Lightly coat them in flour, ensuring they are well covered on both sides, then shake off the excess. In a large pan, heat a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and the butter over medium heat. Allow the butter to melt completely and start to foam slightly. At this point, lay the floured veal slices in the pan, making sure not to overlap them. Cook the slices for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they achieve a nice amber color. During cooking, ensure that the heat is not too high to prevent the butter from burning. Salt and pepper the slices to taste. Pour the lemon juice into the pan directly over the slices, spreading it evenly. Let it cook for a minute, allowing the liquid to slightly reduce and the lemon flavor to penetrate the meat. Add most of the hot broth to the pan, pouring it gently along the edge so it mixes with the lemon sauce. Lower the heat slightly and let the scallops cook for another 5 minutes, turning them halfway through to absorb the flavors from both sides. If the sauce reduces too much, you can add a bit more broth. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if necessary, and continue cooking until the sauce thickens slightly, creating a velvety texture that coats the slices. Transfer the scallops to the serving plates. Pour the remaining sauce from the pan over the slices to add flavor and shine. Finish with a sprinkle of finely chopped fresh parsley and serve immediately, accompanied by a light side dish such as a green salad or roasted potatoes. Enjoy your meal. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Lemon scallops are an example of how simplicity and sophistication can create a unique tasting experience. Perfect for any occasion, from a daily meal to an elegant dinner.